Hello and welcome to another video of Radzon Industries. Today I bring you a video about which toilet cleaner to use, which type of toilet cleaner to use. So I have these two type of toilet cleaner that we make in our household products. The first one is acid based toilet cleaner and the second one is a bleach based toilet cleaner. So you can prefer to use any one of them to clean your toilet bowls. If I talk about acid based toilet cleaner, it's the oldest method of using cleaning toilets, whereas this bleach toilet cleaner has evolved recently. And if the stain is too much in your toilet bowl, then you can prefer this acid-based toilet cleaner. Whereas if you want to make your toilet bowl shine and if you want to give the whiteness to your toilet bowl, then you can use this red harpic. All right. And whereas if your toilet is making a false smell, then also you can use this product so that your toilet doesn't stink, you know. And other thing, you can use it alternate days too if you want to make your toilet clean and evergreen, or last long. Then you can use this both alternate days so that your toilet bowl is always clean. So which one do you prefer? Comment down below. And till another video, see you and have fun cleaning Radzon Industries. Bye bye.